we're the Egdals and we're from Northampton. I'm on my 5th year of ownership in an electric vehicle. One of the biggest things for me is going to a permanent outgoing. I never have to worry about a fuel bill anymore. It's literally fill it up with charge and drive. I don't think I would ever go back to a petrol car. The few sort of selling factors of it is there's no tax. Like I say, the bill's always the same. It's never a case of worrying and going, oh, have I got enough money to put fuel in it to go here or to go there? It's just jump in and drive. It's always the same. When we first got our first electric car, we were limited really to the charge points at the motorway services. Now there's charge points everywhere, so we don't have to really plan the journey as much as we would have used to before. I think there's always going to be a charge point available nearby to wherever we are. It's going to give us great peace of mind, especially when we're looking at going, say, long journeys to go somewhere else and go further afield. As long as we know there's a Tesco's nearby, we know we can charge.